Hello traders, it's your boy the Metro. I want to quickly show you guys something here on indices. Okay, some pairs I'm looking at or how I do my analysis. Okay, yeah, let me switch my camera for you guys to see. This is VIX 25, right? On the VIX 25, we have a strong downtrend on the 4 hours chart. If you check your 4 hours charts, we see this trend. Okay, you can see market has been doing stuff like this. Yeah, doing stuff like this. So now it has gotten to this trend line here, and maybe it might break the trend line. Why? Because it has broken this support already, this resistance already, and price is on the support already. So it might break the trend line, but then instead of me to just bring my trend line to somewhere here like this, and so that it will look like it has broken my trend line, I prefer keeping it here above the on this week, okay, so that if it's breaking, once it breaks this trend, I know that okay, the trend has been broken. Then what I'll be waiting for will be a pullback back to this support zone, this level here. Then I'll be looking to buy from this level. I'm looking to buy somewhere here from this level to the nearest resistance, which is here. Okay, and my stop loss somewhere below that point, about 3.3 to 1 risk to reward ratio. So my target now is waiting for market to break, then pull back and find an entry up to this point. So that's the target for VIX 25. Okay, or market might want to do something like this. Market might still want to come down again from that level, might still want to drop back again to this level again, right, to still continue the trend. All right, but we are not certain. I'm not too sure that's what it's gonna do. So I'm just waiting to see the reaction, the market reaction around that zone. Okay, that's for 25. It's either we buy or sell depending on the reaction we get from the candlesticks from the markets. Okay, so now we have a VIX 10 1S. VIX 10 1S, it's running a down in an uptrend. This is a trend. You can see the trend right there. You can see the uptrend right there. So now it has gotten to that same zone again. We don't know if it's gonna break because there's a structure, there's a zone here, which is this one here. So I want to wait for market to break this zone completely, this line here, this resistance here. I want market to break this resistance right here, come up to this point, back to this level, something like this, almost the same thing I showed you guys on the 25. I want to see a break of this level to this point, then we buy all the way up. Okay, so that's my target, right? Because it has broken the last low, higher low. Okay, so it could be a downtrend now. So I'm waiting to see a break, a pullback, and back to this zone or this other zone. Then I'll start looking for buying opportunity. Okay, because as it is now, it might continue coming down from here instead of going up. It might do something like this, start going down, right? So I need to be careful around that level. We need to be careful around that level. So I'm actually waiting for market to do something like this and buy, or it comes down and pull back to this level, then we sell, right? So that's for VIX 10 1S. We're looking for either buy or sell too. So on the crash 1000, we just smash our TP1 and 2 on the crash 1000. This is for hours charts. Okay, so now I'm looking at market breaking this level, breaking this resistance. Once this resistance is broken, I'm waiting for a pullback. That is always the thing, waiting for a retest either to this point or to this other point. The market start going up again. So this will be our target, right? So also we have another trade here. We have another one here, which is the crash 500. Crash 500, you can see we saw crash 500 around this level and we made some profit yesterday, and now market is back to this level. It might pull back to this level, up to this level again. I don't know, I cannot tell. So the same thing, like we said, I'll wait for market to break that zone too, break up this zone, pull back here or here, then we look for buying opportunity up here, right? So that's it. Or it might break this level. If it breaks this support here, I wait for market to get to this point, a pullback, and we short it, right? Yeah, that's for crash 500. Then we also have VIX 10 is VIX 10, right? VIX 10, I entered VIX 10 yesterday around this zone. We made small profits, then we closed out. Market is still down around that zone. So it might break the zone or it might still remain right there. I don't know. Let me check the 4 hours chart. So on the 4 hours chart, we have a very strong rejection. You can see that candlestick. We have a very strong rejection. Markets might decide to close bullish and start going up from that very entry, from that very point. Okay, so whatever it is, we're just gonna look and watch what market's gonna do around that level, right? We also have another one here. I don't know which one is this. Okay, so this VIX 50. I will be doing this like every morning. This VIX 51 is okay. This VIX 51 is still dancing around that zone, right? So this is the 2 hours chart. You can see markets are still dancing around the zone, but I feel markets will be buying again. Just that I did not see when market was around this level, because you can see it was losing momentum, the sell momentum. Okay, there's no longer enough sell pressure around this zone, so that's why market started going up. I did not see when it printed this. I would have entered this market from here all the way up. So I'm seeing this VIX 50, that's our signal right now, to this point, right? So but then we must wait for this level to be broken, this line to be broken. Once this line is broken, this very line here is broken, then we'll be looking for the buying opportunity, right? Because at this point now we cannot start buying, even if I know that markets will buy from there, but I cannot start buying from there here, because in case the market decides to go against me, you see my stop loss is really far from my entry, and this is VIX 51 is you don't want to play with it. You don't want to play with it. Okay, so my entry to my stop loss will be very far, and the risk is really high. It does not what's the risk? So since it's really volatile, even with the least lot size, it will take so much from us. So I want to wait for market to break this zone, then a pullback and give us a good entry with better stop loss, very tight stop loss, then we buy. So right now, this is the only signal we really have. This is a clear move, which is this VIX 51 ace. So this is our signal right now. We're looking for buying opportunity, but then we cannot just buy immediately. All right, so that's it. Those are the things we're looking for. Remember, VIX 25, we're looking at either buying or sell. Okay, then VIX 10-1s, we're looking for either buy or sell around that level. All right, then we just hit 4 hours chart, candlestick just open. Then crash 1000, we're looking for buying opportunity, but then there must be a break of that level, then a pullback for us to find an entry. That's gonna be probably tomorrow, depending. Then on the crash 500, the same thing. We're looking for either buy or sell on the crash 500. You can see it just spiked down again, so it might continue selling. So all we do is just wait for market to break this support here, then a pullback, we find an entry. Yeah, this is VIX 10. VIX 10, we don't know what's going to happen. Let's check the 2 hours chart. If it opens, then fine. I'm not sure 2 hours chart will open. This stuff is playing. So this is the 1 hour chart. Let's check the 1 hour chart instead. So the 1 hour chart, looks like you want to start, it will continue buying. Okay, it might continue buying on the 1 hour chart. All right, so yeah, it might continue buying on the 1 hour chart. All right,